Today we are making a Copycat Nobu Lychee Martini that is absolutely delicious and one of my all-time favorite cocktails. My name is Aliena and welcome to my kitchen and garden. So the first thing you're going to need is just your cocktail shaker, and you want to fill it up with some ice. And then over here I have my canned lychees. These can be sometimes hard to find. I actually was able to find them at my local Vaughn's, but if you can't find it, it is on Amazon. And this is our simple syrup, and it also adds a lot of the lychee flavor to the drink. As I don't know if you can see inside, but it's filled with lychees. And we're going to want to use 2 ounces of the lychee syrup. If you like it a little bit sweeter, you can always add a little more. Next, I'm going to add in my vodka. You can either use vodka or gin. It's just up to your personal preference. But I personally like a vodka martini more than a gin martini. And I'm adding in 2 ounces of my vodka. This is a fairly boozy drink, I will say. Now, to give a little bit of acidity to our drink, I'm just going to add in the juice of half a lime. Here I have some lychee liqueur. I was able to find this at my liquor store. I think it was at Bevmo. And we're just going to use half an ounce of our liqueur. I tried a ton of different recipes for a lychee martini and they all fell short. And this is the first one that I fell in love with and was like, this is exactly like in the restaurant. And I've realized having St Germain, the elderflower liqueur in it, is really important because I've tried to make it without it and it just does not taste the same. So you're going to want to add half an ounce of your St Germain. And now we can give this a good shake. And I'm just gonna pour this into my martini glass. And this is optional, but what I like to do is just go back to my can of lychees, and I'll just take a toothpick and I will put some of my lychees on it as my garnish in the drink. And also these are pretty tasty, so I have a little snack in my drink as well. Now, this looks absolutely delicious and I cannot wait to try it. This is one of my favorite cocktails for a reason. It's not too sweet and it really has that lychee flavor and it's so light and refreshing. All I need is some sushi and I think this would be a great night right here. And if you'd like to see a few more of my cocktail videos, there should be a playlist right here or over here. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you next week. Cheers. So good.